What is classical physics? Have you ever wondered how the universe works? How things move, fall, or collide? For centuries, scientists thought they had it all figured out. That's where classical physics comes in. Classical physics is a set of rules that explain how big things behave, like planets, cars, or even a ball rolling down a hill. It's based on ideas from scientists like Isaac Newton and Galileo. Newton's laws of motion, for example, describe how objects move when forces are applied. Gravity explains why things fall to the ground. And if you know where something is and how fast it's moving, you can predict exactly where it will be in the future. This view made the universe feel like a giant machine, completely predictable and logical. This idea is sometimes called the clockwork universe. Classical physics works incredibly well in everyday life. It explains how bridges stay standing, how airplanes fly, and even how the planets orbit the sun. If it's big, slow, and visible, classical physics probably has the answer. But here's the twist. As scientists looked closer, especially at atoms and tiny particles, they found things classical physics couldn't explain. That's where quantum physics steps in. In the next video, we'll look at exactly where classical physics starts to break down and why we needed a new way to understand the universe.